factory environment, modular construction, first of all, we have everything at 1 story tall in our factory. So you're looking at things that may be on site 4 or 5 stories up in the air, but you're looking at them at ground level. We have the same people working on the modules time and time again. They've been here for a number of years, so we're not dealing with a lot of different sub-trades and different people working on the modules. We also have a very specific quality program. We have an individual who basically takes pictures of every module in every stage of construction. So overall, I think it's a very specific, detailed, and easy to manage quality program. When it comes to weather, I think it's a real advantage to be working in a factory. Rain, snow, nothing gets in the factory. All of our construction processes are done in a completely dry and weather-controlled environment. We have radiant tube heaters, we have air handling units to keep the air fresh. So it's a really nice working environment. Another advantage of modular construction is we can load the modules with a lot of the components required for finishing or for the site work. So things like drywall, if we know there's going to be some drywall finishing on the 5th floor, we can actually load the drywall in a 5th floor module so we don't have a subtrade carrying material up 5 sets of stairs. We also will have them fully furnished with TVs, all the kitchen appliances, basically whatever the client's looking for. We've done jobs where kitchen utensils, everything is installed. Again, for remote locations, it makes sense to send all of that up with the modules instead of trying to purchase that separately and ship it up at a different time. I'm very proud of our health and safety program here at Metric. It's something that's a core value. It's part of everything that we do. For example, we start every morning off with a crew meeting where we'll talk about safety, we'll do toolboxes, and then do stretches and make sure the guys are ready and limber for the day's activities. We've had ergonomics training. We've had lots of training, not only from the physical side of safety, but the mental and emotional side, making sure that a workplace that's free from bullying or harassment, and it's a good place to work, a healthy place to work, a fun place to work.